students, today we are going to discuss here the new parts, new topic, that is the LCM. As we know that the here LCM is nothing but the least common multiple, or we can say this one the lowest common multiple. Before in this that we have seen one of the video I have made that is the multiples, how the multiples can be find and how to write the multiples of the numbers and all these things we have seen. But here we are going to see here that the LCM means the lowest common multiple we are going to discuss here. The lowest common multiples. As we know that firstly there are two different methods we have of finding the LCM. We can see here that one by one. Let me see here. First one, it is the find the LCM of 16 and the 12. As we know that how to find out the multiples, so we have to go through that by multiples method, finding the multiples and then common multiples, and afterwards the lowest common multiples. In that way we are going to see here at the first question. So it is the 16. What are the multiples of 16? We can write here first. The multiples of 16s are, here we can see that 16 is the first number, as we know that the lowest means the smallest multiple of the number is number itself. So the 16 ones are 16 it is, and then next one 16 twos are 32, then 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, and so on. As we, if it is needed, we can go through that. ओके और भी आगे बहुत सारे मल्टीपल्स इसके मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन हमें जो जरूरत है हमें सिर्फ लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल चाहिए, उतनी ही हम यहाँ पर सॉल्व करेंगे. Another number it is that the 12. We can see here the multiples of 12 becomes 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, and so on. So here we can see that the common multiples. As we know, these are the multiples. Okay. So what we have found now, we have found the multiples. Here all these are the multiples of 16 and these are the multiples of 12. But among them we have to see here the common multiples. What are the common multiples? 16 and 12 there is no common. 32, 24 no common. 36, 32 is there. So 48, 48. Okay. Here we got the common here that. 48 we got the common, so that is the common multiples. And among them the lowest or least common multiples, here we just got only one common multiple, and this is the first common multiple, so we can take here the lowest or least common multiple of this number 12 and the 16 is the 48. The LCM of the 12 and the 16 is 48. So in this way, one more example we are going to solve here, that is the multiples of 24 and 30. Find the LCM of 24 and the 36. We can see here that is the 24 multiples we can see here. The multiples of 24, we can see here that the next multiples one by one we can see here, that is the first multiple is 24 ones are 24. Then second one it is 24 twos are 48. Then the next multiple it is the 72. Then the next multiple it is the 96. Then the next multiple it is 120, and so on. We can see here many more multiples we can see. देखो मैं पहले ही बता चुका हूँ multiples lesson में कि there are the last infinite number of multiples will get of any of the numbers. किसी भी नंबर्स की मल्टीपल्स कितने हो सकते हैं? इनफाइनाइट, जो अनकाउंटेबल हो सकते हैं. ओके, एंड देन वी कैन सी हियर दैट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ द 30. द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ द 30 आर, फर्स्ट वन इट इज 30, देन 60, देन नेक्स्ट वन इट इज द 90, देन 120, देन 150, एंड सो ऑन. So here the common multiples we can see here that the common multiples, can we see here the common multiples? Yes, we'll see that. That is the common multiples are 30, 24, no 60, 48, no 90, 96 is there, 120. Yes, here we got the common multiple, that is the 120 is the common multiple of these two numbers. And so the LCM of the number, only one common multiple we got, so we have to write here the LCM of that 120 24 and the 30 becomes the 120. The LCM of the 24 and 30 becomes the 120. And one more method we are going to discuss here. This is one of the methods. First क्या करना था, मल्टीपल्स फाइंड आउट करने थे, उसके बाद आपको कॉमन मल्टीपल्स देखने थे, और उसके साथ में जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट मल्टीपल कॉमन में होगा वो एलसीएम हो जाएगा. लेकिन अभी यहाँ पर हम जो मेथड यूज करने जा रहे हैं, दैट इज द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इट. Okay, so with the help of the prime factorization method, we are going to solve the LCM. Here we have two more questions. So find the LCM of 36 and the 24. We can see here that first one with the help of prime factorization method. So that is the 36 and the 24. So what we can do here, firstly we have to find out with the help of prime factorization, we have to find out the prime factors of this all 36. Okay, so prime factors किस टाइप से फाइंड आउट करते हैं, डिवीजन मेथड से. जैसे हम एक टाइप से देखेंगे, 36 is the even number, so all these 36 is divisible by 2. So we can take here, जो कुछ भी नंबर से आप डिवाइड कर रहे होते हैं, ये नंबर्स प्राइम नंबर्स होने चाहिए. प्राइम नंबर से आप किसी भी नंबर्स को डिवाइड करना चाहिए. जो इसे 2 से डिवाइड होता है तो हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर 2 से नहीं होता है, 3 से लेना पड़ेगा. लेकिन 4 से नहीं ले सकते. 4 से क्यों नहीं ले सकते, क्योंकि 4 जो है वो प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं है. सो ओके, सो लेट मी सी हियर दैट द 2 1s are 2. Among the 3, 2 minus 3 minus 2 becomes 1. We get that with 1 we have to put here, and this number becomes, it is 16. So 2 8s are 16, means 18 2s are 36. It is we got. Again we have to divide this 18. इन 18 को फिर से डिवाइड करना है. सो 18 जो है 2 के टेबल में आता है, तो हम फिर से 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 9s are 18. But here we got the 9. 9 is not in 2's table. So let me try for the 3. So that we get 3 3s are 9. Yes, we got. And then next one, again one more 3 is there. 3 1s are 3. So prime factors of this all 36. Prime factors of 36 is, we'll get that 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The prime factors of 36 is 1 into this 1 will get first, 2 2 2 3 3. Okay, so we can check here. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. We got. These are the prime factors of the numbers. And next one more number we can check here, that 24 के prime factors हमें find out कर लेना है. So again the 24 is the even numbers. Let we can see here, that is the 2. 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4. We got 12 2s are 24. And after that again we got here the 12. So we have to divide this 12 by 2 again. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is in 2's table. We have to divide with 2. We'll get that 2 3s are 6. And that last one will get 3 1s are 3. The prime factors of the 24 is 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. अभी हमें क्या करना है, कॉमन जो टर्म्स हैं उनको हमें क्या निकाल लेना है, एलसीएम निकालना है. जो कुछ भी यहाँ पर कॉमन टर्म्स थे उनको निकाल कर लेना है. फर्स्टली वी कैन सी हियर 1 is the common term, then again this 2 is the common term, again one more 2 is the common term, but here is only 1 2, here is not 2. Here again we got that 3 is the common term. Okay, we got here the common terms. We can see here that 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are the common terms. ये जो common terms है इनको दो बार यहाँ पर आइडेंटिफाई करने की या राइट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड कॉमन टर्म्स को छोड़ने के बाद जो कुछ भी नंबर रह रहा है उनको और एक बार लिख लेना है. जैसे कि हमें यहाँ पर क्या क्या नंबर रह रहे हैं, यहाँ पर 2 रह जा रहा है, so we have to write here the 2, और 3 रह जा रहा है, so again we have to write the 3 again. Now we can multiply all these numbers and we will get that is the LCM of these two numbers. Let we can check here. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 52. So the LCM of 24 2s are 72. It is, sorry, 24 3s are 72, 24 2s are 48 and 24 3s are 72. So what we got that number here, that is 72. So the LCM of the 36 and the 24 we got here, it is the 72. Okay, करना क्या था यहाँ पर, सबसे पहले आपको प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने थे. जैसे ही आप इनका प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट कर लोगे, जो डिवीजन मेथड से आप प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट कर लोगे, इनमें से जो कुछ भी नंबर्स कॉमन है वो आपको एक एक बार ही लिखना है, कॉमन जो एक ही बार लिखना है, और जो बचे हुए नंबर्स है वो उनको भी एक एक बार लिख लेना है। फिर बाद में इन सब का मल्टीप्लाई अगर आप करोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, एलसीएम। ओके,